Welcome to this lesson on DNA structure. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is one of the most important molecules in all living organisms. Today, we'll explore the fascinating structure of DNA known as the double helix, which serves as the blueprint for life itself. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the molecule of heredity, meaning it carries the genetic instructions that make each organism unique. DNA stores all the genetic information needed for organisms to grow, develop, and reproduce. This remarkable molecule was first described in its complete structure by scientists James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953, a discovery that revolutionized our understanding of biology. DNA is made up of smaller units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has three main components. First, there's a sugar molecule called deoxyribose, which forms the backbone of the DNA strand. Second, there's a phosphate group that connects individual nucleotides together like links in a chain. Third, there's a nitrogenous base, which carries the actual genetic code. These three components work together to create the complete structure of DNA. DNA contains 4 different nitrogenous bases, and they are the letters of the genetic alphabet. Adenine, abbreviated as A, is a purine base. Thymine, abbreviated as T, is a pyrimidine base. Guanine, abbreviated as G, is also a purine base. And cytosine, abbreviated as C, is a pyrimidine base. The sequence of these 4 bases along the DNA strand is what determines the genetic information, much like how letters form words and sentences. The bases in DNA follow a specific pairing rule called complementary base pairing. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and these 2 bases are held together by 2 hydrogen bonds. Guanine always pairs with cytosine, and they are connected by 3 hydrogen bonds, making this pair slightly stronger. This specific pairing pattern is crucial for DNA replication and ensures that genetic information is copied accurately. DNA has a unique 3-dimensional structure called the double helix. Imagine a twisted ladder. The 2 strands of DNA spiral around each other, creating this elegant helical shape. The strands run in opposite directions, which we call antiparallel orientation. The sugar and phosphate molecules form the outer sides of the ladder, creating a stable backbone. The paired nitrogenous bases form the rungs or steps of the ladder, holding the 2 strands together through hydrogen bonds. The 2 strands of DNA run in opposite directions, which is called antiparallel orientation. One strand runs from the 5' end to the 3' end. The 5' refers to the 5th carbon atom on the sugar molecule where a phosphate group is attached. The 3' refers to the 3rd carbon atom where a hydroxyl group is attached. The second strand runs in the opposite direction, from 3' to 5'. This antiparallel arrangement is essential for DNA replication and for the enzymes that read and copy DNA. The DNA double helix has very specific measurements. The diameter of the helix is approximately 2 nanometers across. One complete turn of the helix measures 3.4 nanometers in length. The distance between each pair of bases is 0.34 nanometers. There are 10 base pairs in each complete turn of the helix. Each base pair is rotated 36 degrees relative to the adjacent pair. The DNA helix twists to the right, which we call right-handed helicity. The double helix structure of DNA serves several critical functions. First, it stores genetic information in the sequence of the 4 bases along the strand. Second, the structure enables accurate replication during cell division. When cells divide, each strand serves as a template to create a new complementary strand. Third, the double helix protects the genetic code within a stable structure, with the bases tucked safely inside and the strong sugar-phosphate backbone on the outside. Finally, DNA provides a template for RNA and protein synthesis, which is how genetic information is expressed in living organisms. The double helix structure of DNA is truly an elegant blueprint of life. This remarkable molecule enables DNA to carry genetic information, protect it from damage, and transmit it accurately across generations. Understanding DNA structure is fundamental to understanding genetics, heredity, evolution, and modern biotechnology. The beauty of the double helix lies not just in its physical form, but in how perfectly its structure supports its function as the carrier of life's instructions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.